As I reflect on the incredible experience of hunting a baboon with the Hadza tribe, I can't help but marvel at their deep connection to the land and their survival skills. The Hadza people, one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer societies, have perfected the art of living in harmony with nature. Their knowledge of the environment is astounding, passed down through generations, and it's a privilege to witness it firsthand. The hunt itself was a blend of strategy and patience. We moved quietly through the dense brush, every sound amplified in the stillness of the wild. The Hadza are masters of tracking, able to read the subtle signs left by animals. A broken twig, a fresh footprint. These clues tell a story that only they can decipher. When we finally spotted a baboon, the tension was palpable. The hunters moved with precision, their bodies honed by years of practice. Once the baboon was secured, the real work began. Cooking in the wild is an art form, and the Hadza have their own unique methods. They don't rely on modern conveniences. Instead, they use what the land provides. A fire was built using dry branches and stones, the flames licking up into the air, creating a warm glow against the twilight. The preparation of the meat was a communal effort. Every part of the animal is utilized, reflecting a deep respect for the life taken. The skin was carefully removed, and the meat was cut into manageable pieces. The Hadza often use a technique called pit cooking, where they dig a hole in the ground, line it with stones, and heat those stones until they're red hot. The meat is then wrapped in leaves and placed in the pit, covered with earth, allowing it to slow cook for hours. This method not only infuses the meat with flavor, but also ensures that nothing goes to waste. As the baboon cooked, we gathered around the fire, sharing stories and laughter. This communal aspect of their culture is just as vital as the hunt itself. It's about building bonds, sharing knowledge, and celebrating the fruits of their labor. The aroma of the cooking meat wafted through the air, a tantalizing reminder of the hard work that went into this meal. When the time finally came to eat, the anticipation was electric. The meat was tender, infused with the earthy flavors of the wild. Each bite was a testament to the Hadza's skill and resilience. Eating together, we honored not just the baboon, but the entire ecosystem that sustains us. This experience was more than just a hunt. It was a lesson in survival, respect, and community. The Hadza tribe embodies a way of life that many have lost in our modern world. Their connection to nature, their resourcefulness, and their ability to thrive in the wild are lessons we can all learn from. As I sat there sharing in their meal, I felt a profound sense of gratitude for the opportunity to witness such a remarkable way of life.